How to recover Uber account password. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can recover your Uber account password. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll need to do is open up your Uber app or website. After you do that, you will need to basically log into your account. You can continue with your email or just your password. Then type in your email or your number. After you do that, right here you will see an option to log in. After you see the option to log in, tap on Forgot Password option. Then they will send you a code in your mail. So you can head over to your mail to check out the code that you just received. So after you find the code, type that in. After you type that in, you'll be prompted to another page where you will be able to reset your password. So simply reset your password and you're good to go. And it's that simple guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.